This giant cotton picking machine is not only powerful, it is a factory created for cotton. It devours meters of rows in minutes, collecting and compressing the cotton as if by magic. It gently grasps the cotton plants with its giant drums, separates each fiber without wasting it by working millimeter by millimeter, and instantly packages it in giant rolls. This is not a tractor. This is a technological giant that brings a field to its knees. Introducing the Fendt 1050 Vario. With its full 500 horsepower, this giant that brings even the hardest soil to its knees is far beyond an ordinary farm machine. It attaches such heavy equipment to its back that other tractors cannot even come close. While providing continuous speed changes with its Vario transmission, it works every millimeter of the field like silk. Its wheels stick to the ground like an armored tank, moving in a straight line without slipping or deviating. This giant seeding machine is not an ordinary piece of equipment. It is the perfect combination of speed and precision in agriculture. With its huge body that spreads exactly 100 feet, approximately 30 meters, it can process a field from beginning to end in a single pass. Thanks to Paralink XTC technology, each disc unit instantly adapts to the ground fluctuations and deposits the seeds into the soil with centimeter precision. It does not matter what the slope is, what the stone is, what the mud is. This system processes every point flawlessly without deviating by a millimeter. This giant machine with giant arms, with its boom system that can extend up to 36 meters, covers every inch of the field like an umbrella. With its height-adjustable structure, it can elegantly pass over young seedlings or tall crops and spray. Its tank capacity is so large that it can travel for kilometers without stopping. Its nozzles are activated in milliseconds and distribute every drop exactly where it is needed, evenly. This machine scans every inch of the field as if it were in a laboratory environment and applies millimetric spraying only to the required points. With its high-resolution cameras and automatic targeting system, it instantly recognizes harmful weeds and destroys them one by one. Moreover, while doing this, it does not water the entire field from top to bottom, but only with accurate shots. There is no need for giant spray tanks, because Robotic's ARA spends every drop wisely. This machine not only mows, it also cleans the field at the same time, revolutionizing the harvesting of high-stalk crops such as sunflower, corn, or rapeseed. This system first cuts the top of the plant with precision blades, then collects the cut parts immediately and transfers them to the trailer at the rear. So there is no waste or mess. it's not just pesticides, it's professionalism raining down on the field. Introducing the Fendt Rogator 655. This huge sprayer, with its high capacity and incredible range, takes control of thousands of acres of land on its own. With its booms that can extend up to 36 meters, it provides perfect coverage from one end to the other. This machine, which moves forward without shaking even in the most difficult terrain conditions, intervenes in each plant as much as it needs without losing contact with the soil. While directing liters of liquid to the exact target per minute, the operator only determines the direction, and this intelligent system takes care of the rest. This machine completely changes the traditional plow concept and brings the art of tilling the soil to the digital age. Thanks to its ISOBUS-compatible system, you can control all settings with your fingertips from the tractor cabin. Everything from the front nose position to the chisel width and rear wheel depth can be adjusted with millimeter precision via the screen in the cabin. In this way, perfect lines are obtained in every pass in the field. This giant disc cultivator is impressive enough to make classic soil processing equipment a thing of the past. Each of its carefully designed giant discs cuts the soil like a knife and creates a perfect planting bed by mixing the plant residues on the surface millimeter by millimeter. Thanks to the aggressive angle of the discs, it provides deep work even on sticky and hard ground. This monster, which remains stable even at a depth of 12 centimeters, recreates hectares of land at a time with its wide working area. Moreover, thanks to its structure, the load on the tractor is distributed evenly, thus achieving full efficiency without any loss of power. Meet the Flegel ASW, a technology that revolutionizes field load transport. This trailer leaves traditional tipper systems behind and makes load unloading safer, faster, and more efficient with hydraulic pushing technology. The most striking feature of the Flegel ASW is that instead of lifting the load up, it pushes it out of the rear hatch with a hydraulic pusher. This makes unloading easy even in areas with low ceilings and eliminates the risk of tipping over. This tractor is not just a machine, it is a real leader in the field. Equipped with the All Machines FPT Industrial NEF engine, the T7.315 reaches 313 horsepower, overcoming the most difficult agricultural tasks. Thanks to ECO Blue technology, it combines high performance with low emissions. The CVT transmission provides uninterrupted power transfer, providing both fuel economy and superior traction. This ensures maximum efficiency even when working with heavy equipment. Transmission options include different semi-automatic transmissions, such as Active Drive 4 and Active Drive 8. This allows operators to adapt to different field conditions. The hydraulic system has 2 to 4 control valves, and the pump flow capacity is 27.1 gallons per minute. The 4WD version of the Maxim 125 weighs 4.89 tons and can reach a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Here is the legend of the 70s, the Massey Ferguson 2805 V8, which shakes the ground with its engine sound. This tractor is not only powerful, it blows through the field like a hurricane. Under its hood lies a huge 10.5-liter Perkins V8 engine, and this beast tames acres of land with its full 190 horsepower. Having such high power at that time made it a legend among farmers. Everything changes in the field in an instant, because the ploger at 4103 comes on stage. This huge three-wheeled machine turns liquid fertilizer application into an art form. With its 3 giant wheels with fully independent suspension, it adapts perfectly to the ground and moves smoothly even on rough terrain. It injects tons of liquid fertilizer into the soil evenly per minute thanks to its special distribution system. In this way, both plant nutrition is done perfectly and time and resources are not wasted.